I haven't seen any. I've been watching you.
I heard a soft.
I haven't seen any.
I heard a soft bump sound.
Me too.
You know, like a shotgun kind of thing.
Yeah, I just heard that.
All right, so it's us three against another three. Looks like.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh my
Fucking
god.
Christ.
You guys are in a
That
good
was-
spot.
And
Yeah, we're
now
very well.
somebody whoops a grenade in here.
And you're all dead.
Oh, I got a guy right here at the tree. Down, he knocked out. There's no one behind the tree too. Right at the tree at west, right here by us. Your grenade?
Yep. So he crawled behind the tree there.
There's two behind that tree.
Run! 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 Run!
Are you dead?
No.
That was fucking awesome.
Can't believe
Yeah.
that worked. Fuck.
They're grenading.
Still behind there.
No, that was me.
Grenade in! Grenade! 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 Smoke behind.
Still
He's
behind
low.
that tree.
Throwing a flash down.
There he
It's
goes.
down. It's down.
Good job forcing him around that tree.
Those whose smokes were those?
Not mine.
That was, probably that guy's that he just took out.
I don't know. I think there's a guy behind us.
All right.
He was smoking into that
There's
tree.
one guy left.
Did you get the two behind that tree?
There was. I only saw one.
There was
only
two over
one.
there.
He died instantly.
Okay.
There's another guy. Take it easy. Move slow. This is how we lost last time.
Yep. I'm gonna stick in the house then.
Yeah, let's just wait for circle and...
No, we don't all need to be in here though. We gotta have somebody kind of lure him. I mean, if somebody needs to stay in here to stay alive. Fuck. I don't care who, but
I'll wander. Keep an eye open.
stim it
Oh
again.
my
Got
god. Good job.
Shit.
Didn't even see you or hear you.
Good job.
You were like 2 feet from him. What the hell?
He could have peeked me and took me out at any time, though.
Where was he?